This is the organic outdoor potting mix that we got, 2 for $16, right here at Home Depot. The plant food is over there. Organic plant food. That's the bone meal, $11.97. Organic bone meal from Espoma. $12. The 2 buckets we got. They're really good for the size comparison. You can put the water down here. Watering holes. And that's how you start growing your bell pepper plants. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you all the best as you plant your own garden. Make sure to follow me on this journey to growing these beautiful bell pepper plants. Thank you.